What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group here quickly to talk about the Roblox IPO that's dropping tomorrow, Wednesday. I'm talking about March 10th, 2021. It's a direct listing, so I want to speak to you really quickly. Listen, the strategy for taking advantage of direct listings is being fast. When you have an IPO like this and you already bought in, look, you know the numbers, you know you're going to invest, make sure you're first and fast. Because companies like this, when they do a direct listing, when the IPO comes out, it typically goes up fast. Now, you might be looking to make a quick buck in a day and sell in the same day. I get that. That's a strategy. I'm just letting you know. But for direct listing, if you get in there early, and I'm talking about, look, place your orders in early. Place your orders in at different amounts. Place one in at 45. Place another one in at 60. Place another one in at 80. If you want to get in early, and that's your strategy, make sure to do this first thing in the morning as soon as it opens up. Also, if you're interested in the numbers, I did an IPO video on Roblox already, but here are some numbers you should consider. Number one, this is a company. I'm starting with the bad. This is a company that's not making a profit yet. In 2020, they lost about $257.7 million on $923.9 million in revenue. Now, that did represent about an 82% increase year over year in revenue. So this is good news. I'm not saying this is a bad company, but keep in mind, the company is not making a profit. They're not turning a profit as of yet. Just to let you know about some of their payouts, look, they're popular because they pay out money to developers. This is a system. They created an ecosystem where you can create your own games within the game. So developers like to use Roblox. They like to create their own games. And when it comes to sales, developers made $328.7 million in 2020, which was up 200% from 2019. So this is a place that's attractive, not just to gamers, not just to your kids, but to developers, because developers can make real money here. And that's the key to making this a big ecosystem. It's not just about the video games. It's not just about your kids or the young people being entertained. This is about making money. And that's why I'm buying in. We'll see how much I buy in, but I'll just say I'm buying in. This is not advice for you. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you as a professional to buy in. I'm not telling you to invest. But for me, this is a no-brainer. I have a kid. I know about Roblox. I know about the ecosystem that Roblox creates. And it just seems like it works. And I think beyond just video games, you're talking about a social network. You're talking about another place that video content and different content can be placed, and people can be paid out for such in a better form or with better percentages than some of the other platforms that they have out there today for creators. So it's another place for creators to create and make money. And when I see that, I buy in. That's what I believe. That's what I think. Also, just as a reminder, another little stat to throw out there, during 2020, they saw an 85% increase in daily activity due to COVID, an 85% increase. The question is, once COVID is over, once we get back outside, once we're able to move again, and we don't know how soon that's going to be, we don't know if things are going to be normal in 2022 and just get a little bit closer to normal in 2021. But as things get closer to normal, will they be able to sustain their growth levels, or will they start to fall off? You guys can let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you're investing. Again, this is a company that's bringing in almost $1 billion in revenue. They're not quite profiting yet, but after this IPO, after selling a portion of their stocks, maybe in 2021, we're going to see this company in the black. Maybe it'll be 2022. We'll see. They do have cash. Keep in mind, they do have free cash. So I'm not saying this is a cash-strapped company, but it is something that you should consider. Again, Roblox, the IPO is dropping March 10th. It's going to be a direct listing. It's going to be competitive. You got to be fast if you want to get in early, or you can just wait and say, you know what, I'll see where this goes in a few months and I'll invest then. But let me know what you're going to do in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate your support. Have a good evening.